Hello everybody, my name is Cas McCarthy and I'm an artist. I'd like to show you today how to make a small scale model of a Tuam Sligo chair. These are the things you'll need: a pencil, a ruler, a scissors, some card from a cereal box and a glue gun. Let's get started. Here's the diagram of the pieces you'll need to cut out. 2 legs, an arm, a back. Now the seat, these are straightforward, but the seat is a little bit more tricky, so I'm going to show you how to draw out that. Draw a rectangle 7.5 centimetres by 5.5. Now, make a mark 2 centimetres up from the base on either side. On the top line of the rectangle, make a mark 2.5 centimetres in from the left and 2.5 centimetres in from the right. Now join up these marks. Now you've got your seat made, and we'll cut it out. Now we're ready to assemble the various parts of the chair. So make a mark on the back piece about 1/3 of the way up. Line up the 2 legs beside it and continue that mark. Now we're going to apply the glue. Make a slight bend in this. Attach your seat and hold it down for about 10 seconds. Now we'll attach the legs. Hold it again for 10 seconds. Now make sure you have the help of an adult to do this because the glue gets very hot. So now we're ready to attach the arm. just placing a dab of glue at the back. And there you have it, your Tuam chair.